Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to make 3 types of sandwiches. It's easy to make and very healthy and very tasty. Hope you will like these sandwiches. First I will make spicy potato sandwich. For 4 slices of bread, here I have taken 1½ medium size boiled potato, chopped onion, chopped coriander leaves, chopped green chili, hot and sour tomato sauce, black pepper, roasted cumin powder, red chili powder, mango powder or amchur, chaat masala, butter and 100% whole wheat bread. Mash the potato. Now add all the ingredients one by one. Onion, green chili, coriander leaves, red chili powder, black pepper, roasted cumin powder, mango powder or amchur, chaat masala and salt to taste. Mix them well. Apply the tomato sauce on bread slice. Now spread the potato mix. Apply the tomato sauce on other bread too. Now put one slice on top of the other. Press gently. Here I am taking a grill pan. Heat up the pan. Add little bit of butter. Keep the flame on medium and toast the bread on both sides. It will take only 1 minute to toast each side. Now flip the other side. Switch off the flame. Our spicy potato sandwich is ready. I have taken 4 slices of bread, brown bread. I already finely chopped all veggies. Cucumber, onion, tomato, 3 colors of bell pepper, orange, green and yellow, 2 green chilies, lemon, 1 avocado, coriander leaves, tomato sauce, butter, cheese slice, jalapeno cheese slice, salt, chaat masala and white pepper. Let's start. Mash the avocado. Add all veggies one by one. Add lemon juice, chopped coriander, salt to taste, chaat masala, and white pepper. Mix them well. You can add salt, black pepper, white pepper and chaat masala according to taste. Our avocado spread is ready now. Spread it on one slice. And then add a cheese slice on another bread. take one more slice of bread, apply the tomato sauce, spread avocado mix, put one slice of top of the other, keep aside. Now heat the grill pan, add little bit of butter and toast both sides. With the other side. Let me check. Yes, it's done. Doesn't take long time. Very healthy and easy recipe. Turn off the gas. See, it looks yummy. Delicious avocado sandwich is ready. For third sandwich, here I have taken 2 slices of 100% whole wheat bread, mayonnaise, yellow mustard, cucumber, little bit chopped onion, chopped green chili, salt and white pepper. That's it. I am taking 1 tablespoon mayo, half tablespoon yellow mustard, white pepper, onion, green chili, and last one is cucumber. Mix them well. These sandwiches are healthy and good for breakfast. Okay, our spread is ready. Apply the yellow mustard on one slice. Now add the spread. Apply the mustard on other bread too. Now put one slice on top of the other. We don't need to toast this sandwich. Just gently. Mayonnaise and yellow mustard sandwich is ready. It's really very tasty. This is one of my favorite sandwich. I love avocado sandwich and mayonnaise yellow mustard sandwich. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.